This is the Gabbys Dollhouse Tonie.
Hey, Gabby.
Brought to you by Dollhouses Incorporated. Dollhouses Incorporated, makers of creepy dollhouse furniture since 1977.
Hey, Gabby. Take us to the dollhouse. Hey, Gabby. Little by little, let's live in the meow.
Hi, Tonie friend. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Gabby. So nice to meet you. Are you ready for some fantastic adventures inside my dollhouse? Come on!
Figure itself is really well made. They even included sparkles in Gabby's headband, as well as an overall well-textured surface on the Tonie figure.
A rainbow-colored kitty cat xylophone. All got kitty cat faces, of course.
Hey everyone, your pal Cat Rap here, ready to get down and get funky at the big music show.
This Tonie has just 2 tracks on it, but it runs for an astounding 48 minutes. You may remember Gabby from such stories as DJ Catnip Gets His Groove Back, or Fairy Festival, both of which are included on this Tonie.
I poured different amounts of water in each jar, starting with a lot, then going all the way down to just a little. Wow, that was a day full of garden magic.
This is one of 3 Gabbys Dollhouse Tonies currently available at Tonies.com. This is the original, the OG Gabbys Dollhouse Tonie. There's also Cakey Cat Tonie and Kitty Fairy Tonie.
Thanks for coming to the Fairy Festival with us.
And if you're jonesing for more Tonies, check out our Tonies playlist where we're reviewing all the Tonies we can get our hands on. I'll link to that below.
Did you have fun today, Tonie friends? Me too.
And stick with us in 2025. We're reviewing 25 Tonies, at least that's our goal, in 2025. This is number 16, if I'm not mistaken, which I probably am. Thanks again for watching. Feel free to share with someone if you think they'd like it, or leave a like here, or hit the bell to subscribe. So many options. No pressure. Thanks again for watching.